Hello everyone, welcome and thank you for joining my channel. In this video, I want to show you guys this solid state drive from Netac. It's one of their best. It comes in a nice looking package. You know this is going to be a reliable product when a company gives you 5 years limited warranty. This solid state drive also comes with installation instructions and 2 mounting screws. Alright, let's check it out. This is neatly packaged. Wow, this so far looks really nice. Let's take this clear piece off. I really like how it looks. It's a really cool design. The build quality feels really strong and sturdy. There are 2 layers, top and bottom of the solid state drive for good heat dissipation. The solid state drive comes in 1TB, 2TB, and 4TB. I really like the way how it looks. A lot of thought and development has been put into this. This weighs 49 grams. This works with computers, laptops, PS5s, and many more. The interface is PCIe Gen4x4 NVMe 1.4 protocol. Form factor M.2 2280. This solid state drive has a maximum reading speed of 7200 megabytes per second and a maximum writing speed of 6850 megabytes per second. This is extremely fast. This was a speed test done on my laptop. My laptop is a little out of date. I was only able to reach half the speed. In order to reach maximum speed, you must have the latest processor and the latest motherboard. Reaching half the speed is still really fast. Here's a screenshot from another reviewer reaching maximum speed.